Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Coinomi wallet application for your Android device. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that little subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinomi wallet application for your Android device is quite easy. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and in the search box at the top type in Coinomi and perform your search. Once you find the application that says Coinomi Crypto Bitcoin Wallet, tap on the install button in green. Now wait until the application is downloaded on your Android device, which is a quick and easy process depending upon your internet speed. Once you have the stable internet connection, your application should download in just a few minutes. And once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Coinomi wallet app on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.